Hey guys, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surf. So, it's a game where you run and get your coins. And I just made a video under Evan Omar Hudson 2 and playing NBA Live. I don't know where I'm going. Oh no, I don't want to go to you. I want to go to Subway Surf. Okay, X. Sometimes we do it with our camera, but when we do it here. We do it with our phone. Like how you do this? You buy an app called the Air Show, and then it tells you what you want to call your video, and then you press it, and then you press next step, and then it's like something loading, but it's not really something loading. You take your phone like this, and then you press AirPlay Memorying, whatever it's called, and then after that, you're recording, and then you play any game, and then you go back to Air Show. It says when you want to stop, then you stop. So, yeah. Let's go. How much coins I have? 111. My highest score, guys, was in the thousands. 1,010. I can never beat that. I'm trying to beat it. I don't know how much I got that much coins, because there's no more trains. Barely trains. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's really fun doing this. Watch my NBA Live video. I was like, this is fun. Like, we do it with our camera when we show our faces, but with the phone when we like want to play games and show it to YouTube. 257. Okay, I'm getting a lot. Guys, I promise you I'm gonna get 310 or more. It's easy. Told you. Oh, I love this. Bet you I'm gonna get 400 more. 400 or 400 more, I promise. Okay, I'm almost even in my 500s. Not almost, but I'm gonna be. Now I'm almost. Just need 23 more coins. Actually, not no more. 500. Voila. This is scary, guys. Oh my god. Okay, thank you. Oh my god. I'm not gonna save me. I don't want to cheat. But I'm so close to getting this. Okay, I have to watch a commercial so I can try to get up. I want to get there.
Upgrade your kitchen appliances.
So,
and be the best chef in
8,
town.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Play now.
okay, X. You got to. Actually, it's not that guy. How did I get 608 coins? What? I'm rich. I see my coins all together. That's my coins all together. 17,179. 17,179. Damn, I have a lot. Remember there's something for 12,000. There was a character for 12,000. Wait, let me die. I want to show you guys something. So, I remember there's like character for 12,000. I wanted him. And I'm going to show you guys how to get characters. So I forgot this game. I never played it for a long time, but I still know it. So this is how you get characters. I have her. I don't even play with her. I hate him. He always tries to act cool. I want him. I need 6 more. That's why I'm saying I'm so close. And guys, I'm gonna have to end it right here. Guys,